6 pics August Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral sticker and where you can find it. So keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, search for Ali and John YTT. Go to this profile right here and then you have to click on August add yours at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go at August, add yours at highlights. Click on that. Now tap until you find your desired sticker, just like this. And if you find some other stickers that you like, you can use them. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below for you to follow if you have problems with this. So now you just have to go to your uploads and choose your first photo. I will go with this one. Now you can place it where you want by using your two fingers like you would zoom in and zoom out. Then go to stickers from the top of the screen. To add another photo, click on this plus icon and it will get you once again to your gallery, just like this. And to bring the stickers to the top, you just have to click on it. And once you're happy with your story, you can just follow and share it with your friends. If you want to add another photo, just follow the same steps. Go to stickers from the top of the screen and then choose another photo. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible. And don't forget to like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.